Hello online besties, here we are. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to show you how I prepared this food. It was a hard work because me, I cook from scratch. Yeah, so before I start cooking, I start by preparing the place where with the one I'm going to use. Yeah, can you see? As you can see, there's a lot going on. So I had a lot of dish to prepare. I started by preparing this my what's the buns. I started by cooking the buns and boiling them. I also added some garlic grater. So this is the chicken. I'm going to also do the chicken. It's a new recipe. I'm also still running this recipe so that I can show it to you later, though it didn't come out the way I expected. Batch cooking is a hassle. It's a hassle, I'm telling you, but it pays off because I don't have to cook throughout the week or 1 week and a half, so or 2 weeks, yeah. So I won't be cooking, so it's so good. So the thing with batch cooking, when you are like me, who doesn't have a lot of stuff to use, like now I had to go and wash the chopping board because I was done using it to cut the chicken. It's so hard to batch cook, but just try it. If you work or if you're a student, try it. Or if you're a busy person, yeah, try batch cooking. So the first tip I can give you, do not prepare the ingredients before you start cooking because that will consume too much time, to take too much time. So cut the things as you go. Like right now I'm cutting the onions and the garlic and the ginger to put in the chicken. And guess what? I was supposed to put in the ginger before I add in the chicken, but I forgot because there's a lot going on and this was my first time cooking this food. So don't joke with batch cooking. Prepare yourself before you do it. Prepare yourself in your mind before you do it. And the bay leaves, I also forgot to put them before. I was supposed to put them before, but I forgot. But anyway, it's fine. It's fine. At the okay, I was going to say that the end turned out good. No, it didn't turn out good. Yeah, but it was still okay. I'm enjoying it. As I edit the video, I'm enjoying it. So as I edit the video, someone in the background is saying that it's a lie. Yeah, I'm not eating right now, but I've been eating it. So I've been enjoying it. Yeah. So as you like batch cooking also takes like it will make you so tired, like you have to stand for many hours moving around, washing things, what cutting. So but it's fine. Oh, I also forgot to say that the bones, I'm boiling them on the other side. Yeah, I'm boiling them behind the camera. So this is my recipe. I don't want to show you a lot about it, but this is the Reiko which was given to me, and I was told to mention that it was given to me by Simba. Yeah. So we should give people their credit. So back to our chicken recipe. Yeah, I added in different types of mushrooms. I was really craving mushrooms, and so I said, Amy, cook them with some chicken and some soy sauce. I don't want to show a lot about this recipe because later when I perfect it, I will put it on YouTube. So I forgot to soak these small fishes, we call them indagara. I forgot to soak them. So as I was soaking them, I started cutting the ingredients I was going to use for my next granite soup. So here I started cooking my granite soup. It turned out so good. Oh my god, oh my god, I've been enjoying it. With some ugali. Oh my god, it's so good. I can't give anyone. But for my online aunties or besties and my online chefs, so bring your food box, I will give you. Yeah. So I had to blend the granite and I blended it with water. It's easier that way. And now the soup is almost ready. My soup is not really looking great like how I wanted it to look like. You know, it's so simple to cook Uganda near the kunda. So, you know, before you batch cook, prepare your ingredients, write them down, and then buy them or what. Because I forgot to get tomato paste. I didn't have enough. Yeah. So when I was done with the groundnut soup, I went ahead with my buns, my Zimbabwe buns. Oh, that's Simba's recipe. Before he swallow me, have to give him his credit. So this one I've perfected it, but again, I don't know what's wrong today. Maybe it's the royco. Me, I'm not used to cook with royco that was given to me to try. Yeah, I use, my all-purpose seasoning that I use in my old videos. You know that if you watch my videos, you know it. That's the one I'm used for. So I used royco for most of the dishes in this video. And then I didn't like it, honestly. Yeah. Let me be honest, I didn't like it that much. So here I am preparing the ingredients for the next dish. So as you are boiling something or cooking something, just be using that time to cut the ingredients for the next dish. That's another tip for batch cooking. Another thing about batch cooking, be cleaning as you cook, because you might end up with a messy kitchen. As you can see me, I keep on cleaning and washing things, and then when I was cooking, I was like, hold on, I'm using the same pot to cook everything. Yeah, I realized that I was using the same pot to cook all the stuff. So here I am cutting the vegetables. Everything you eat vegetables, fruits, and drink water. Yeah, so here I am cutting vegetables because I want to eat good food. Yeah, so healthy, I mean. So I'm actually having quite good time as I edit this video. I hope that as you watch this video, you're going to have a good time watching it. Yeah, so my vegetables are done. I'm now going to cook the next ugali. My god, it gave me a hard time. I was too tired. I had back pain because of standing for a long time, and it wasn't really good. But again, I ate it. Yeah, who am I ate it. So the thing about batch cooking, like me, I batch cook most of the times and things go well. But this time, I don't know, maybe because I was tired and they didn't have some of the ingredients that I wanted to use. So some of the dishes, I can't say that they were bad, but they turned out the way I didn't expect. And I was too tired. So yeah. But again, they're not bad. They're not bad. They're not bad. They're good. So this is the end product. Oh, I forgot to say subscribe, please, so that you can be able to see my next videos every Friday.